Rosie is a rescue dog. I got her September 2019. Rosie's my best mate. She's been with me through thick and thin, through breakups, through like hardcore business deals. What? She was diagnosed with cancer. I took her to the vet. She got the standard treatments of chemotherapy and surgery. When those two things were failing to work, I essentially fired up ChatGPT and came up with a plan to try to see what I could do for her. And because of my background in AI, I was aware of a technique called AlphaFold. It's a machine learning technique that was developed a few years ago. I thought we could try create a drug to block the cancer, and that was the start of the journey. This is one of the pivotal conversations that I had with ChatGPT in around June 2025. It's essentially the conversation where I figured out that I could make a mRNA vaccine for Rosie. So here we are talking about the pros and the cons between what's called a peptide vaccine or an mRNA vaccine. ChatGPT recommended that I get her tumors sequenced. She had a giant tumor growing on the back of her leg at the time. We had the opportunity to cut the tumor out. It was about the size of like a tennis ball. And instead of just throwing it away, we sent it to the university to have it read by a machine that converts the tissue into data, essentially. And we did that for the tumor, and we also did it for her blood. So we took 2 samples, and the idea is that we found the differences between them, and the differences is the cancer. Once we had the differences, we could use like computational techniques to search for drugs to block those specific genes. And that's essentially the next thing that I did. What you're seeing here is Rosie's that's a mutated gene that's causing a cancer right there. And this is the healthy version of it. And like, I literally queried the two against each other to ask it how it can build an mRNA vaccine. ChatGPT gave me the steps to essentially create a drug for her. Rosie, come here, what's this?